ZOMG ZORRZ. This is so fun.
Stop using I am taught. That's ridiculous.
How ridiculous. Oh my god, where did blow-ups go? A thief stole them! Scandalous! We should go look for the blow pop. Yes, we should. But first, we need our super secret sunglasses. Mine are hippie. Ha.
Dun, 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 dun.
Where are you going? It's over here. No, it's over here. No, it's over here. No, it's over here. Ah, yeah.
Well, we should go over there because you want to go there and I want to go over there and it's in the middle.
And it's in the middle. So, I want to go my way.
I want to go my way.
Too bad.
You know what? Maybe we
Let's
should
just
fight
go
that
that
way.
way.
Let's just go that way.
You know
Because
what?
I want to fight.
We should find out. Five is the answer. No, it's not. Yes, it is. Give me a chance. No, God. While Leah's in the bathroom, I'm gonna ransack her room. Oh my gosh, it's a phone! Ha! Ha!